makes all of us happy. But in order to do that, you need a great appliance, right? That's why Croma presents to you the 23 liters Convection Microwave. Well, you must be wondering, what is the difference between a regular microwave and a convection microwave? I'll walk you through it. A normal microwave uses microwaves to warm up your food, whereas in a convection microwave you can do much more, such as bake, brown, crisp, or even roast your food. So let's get into the details and figure out what are these amazing features of this 23 liters convection microwave. 5 power levels with 205 auto-cook menus. That helps in cooking different food items hassle-free with dedicated buttons. Convection and grill combination for multi-stage cooking. This is especially useful in cooking certain dishes which may require more than one cooking processes like baking, grilling, etc. Multiple combination cooking mode. This is an excellent mode for cooking complex foods such as chicken, lasagna, steak, etc. Defrost function to quickly thaw the frozen foods. This glass turntable will help in uniform heating of the food items. Now let us go through the control panel of this product. Display screen. It displays the cooking time, power indicator, and current time. Number pad and cooking menu options. So here you have different numbers, so you can select number according to your need of cooking. Defrost. This button is used for the defrosting option. Clock or the kitchen timer is used to set the kitchen or the clock timer. Microwave for selecting the microwave program. Grill to set the grilling program. Convection button. This button is for the convection cooking. Combination for grilling, roasting and baking easier and quicker. Stop or clear. This button is used to pause the operation or clear the previous commands. Start button, simply to start the appliance. That's all. Now let us go and see how to install this microwave. To install the microwave, you need to place it on a flat surface with enough clearing space. You have to ensure that there is a gap of at least 7.5 centimeters on adjacent side of the microwave and one side needs to be open. It also needs a clearing of 30 centimeters above it, and also please ensure you're not placing anything on top of the microwave. Keep it away from TV, radios, etc. as much as possible. Plug your oven into a standard household outlet. Do not operate the oven without the glass tray, the roller support and the shaft in the proper positions. This convection microwave also has a number pad from 0 to 9 with various options to choose from while you're cooking any special dish. You can select the microwave button and select it multiple times, so you will see different microwave modes. You can select the temperature that you want. After that, you can select the time that you want and just set your food inside the microwave. You can also select the auto cook mode. Under the auto cook mode, you have 10 different options, so depending on the dish that you're planning to make, you can simply press that and the microwave will do its job. There's also a safety feature, that is the child lock button. For that, you have to press the stop button for about 3 seconds. After that, you will hear a long beep ensuring that the microwave is child-proof and safe and the door will not open. So now you can cook in peace and be away from the microwave without getting hassled about your children coming near the heat. Do check the utensil guide in the user manual for correct usage of utensils under various operations. And that's it. Get this 23 liters convection microwave to your home right today and change the way you cook and improve your life.